2, 3, 4.
So finally I'm in front of a shooting range. भाई बहुत मुश्किल मिला है बट मिल गया. This is the shooting range where we enter. अंदर चल के पूछते हैं क्या कॉस्ट है क्या नहीं है, तब बात करते हैं.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, boss.
How are you?
I'm fine, boss.
So
First time to shoot? First time?
in the firing range first time. Usually I've done, like I'm from India, so I've done other things there, but only .22.
Yes. So you from India?
Yeah, I'm from
So
India.
vacation there?
Yeah, I'm on vacation.
Welcome to the Philippines, boss.
Thank you, thank you.
So shooting too?
Yeah. So here we have to give our ID. यहाँ पे अपना ID देना पड़ता है. मैंने अभी अपना पासपोर्ट दिया है यहाँ पे. And then noting down the details.
Yes, boss.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
So what caliber, boss?
I think I would go with
Yeah, these are choices. These are smaller for beginner, but it's still is
I think I would go with .45.
45?
Yeah,
That's
0.45. Yeah, this one.
Yes, 45.
Because 0.22 I have already done a lot.
Okay.
0.5, 0.25. So I'm choosing this 0.22. This was 0.5.
Yes.
And this is 0.45.
It's caliber 40.
Caliber 40. Okay. This was 0.22.
Yes, it's 9 mm.
9 mm.
Yes.
9 mm. Okay, I'm getting confused between 9 mm and 0.22. Okay, it's 9 mm.
Yes.
But I'll go with 0.45.
45.
Yes.
Okay. So you pay 2,000, boss?
Yes. So the cost of 50 bullet, 50 गोलियों की जो कॉस्ट है शूटिंग रेंज की 2,000 पीसोस हैं, के 3,000 के आसपास पड़ते हैं. बाकी शूटिंग रेंज पे मिलता हूँ.
45. High cup.
Okay.
That's good gun.
Yeah. It has actually less recoil because with 0.45 we have a more recoil. That's good. That's good. भाई क्या तो रहे हैं, अच्छी गन दे रहे हैं, बाकी चलाने के बाद पता चलेगा क्या है. Actually, these kind of things are not common in India. We don't have a shooting range. We do, but it's only on some 2 or 3 major cities.
But your country not allowed gun to shooting?
No.
Not
In
like
India,
this?
yeah, it's allowed, but it's really rare because we have a very strict policy against guns.
That's the idea. Yes.
It's smooth.
Okay, so I refresh. Okay, you bag, boss. You bag. So I refresh first.
Okay.
So you left-handed, right-handed? What you use?
I'm right-handed.
Right-handed? Okay. First, this gun on the target. Never do that like this. Okay, up, down. Not allowed. Okay. Put the gun, finger out. If not ready to shoot, thumb here. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. You hold tight. Okay. Okay. Always on the top. Front side, rear side. Okay. So align this. Yes. Align. See this one?
Yeah.
On the middle. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. 30% on your right, 70% on your left. So be strong on your left. Okay. Then the trigger, see this? Slowly. You feel this lock or the wall. Stop. Then boom. Don't do that. Then fast. You feel this lock. Okay. See? Stop. Then okay. You try this. Magazine. Push. Finger out, just one. Then continue to shoot. This is semi-automatic, okay? But be careful on this, don't touch this. It's sharp, it's hot. Yes, you see that?
Yeah. It might go.
Okay, only at the back.
I have to cock from the back.
Yes. This is semi-automatic, so continue to shoot.
Okay. It's semi-automatic.
Wide your legs and your back, lead forward. Okay, open your right eye, you close your left eye. That's it. Practice first. No bullet. Yeah, at this I fix this one.
Actually, he has only .22. No, it doesn't
Yes.
require this.
Then you back, be forward. That's good. Then align. Slowly squeeze. Okay. Yeah, you try. Back finger out if you open both.
Yeah.
Yes. That's good. Nice. After that, we go further, okay?
Okay.
The heads.
Let me try.
Ready? Firearm!
Writing in the margins of my mind all day, sipping herbal in the morning just to feel okay. Had a dream I was water just flowing through space, till I landed on the record that my grandma would play. Talk sweet like jazz in the park after rain. What a grass smell queen, money I feel safe. Put the phone on mute, let the silence explain. I don't need much, just a book in the brain. Used to chase things that will run from me. Now I sit still, let the peace come free. Paint a verse in the sky with a loose leaf. While the moon do a dance with a soft oak tree. Let it ride, let it be, let it be what it be. Got a breeze in my chest and a thought run free. I don't rush, I don't race, I just float on three. Got a vibe in my soul, got a life on key. Let it ride, let it breathe, let it roll like that. Got the world in my cup and the beat in the back. I don't stress, I don't fold, I just lean no facts. If the sun don't shine, I'ma still bounce back. I've been good, I've been gone, I've been lost in the loops. Got a hoodie and some headphones, walking with troops. Ain't no answers in the feed, just noise and flex. But I found God once in a vinyl set. Talk slow when I speak, let the moment stretch. Learn peace ain't found, it's a thing you protect. Yeah, I vibe like water, I change and shift, but the roots still deep like my grandma's grits. City move fast, but I drift like smoke. Let the rhythm in my chest be the way I
Picture
wrote a
your
song
cell
for the
phone.
days that feel soft and young. But it hit the
Okay, so you hold the gun, give you a good shot. Like this. Okay, ready? Okay, two hands. Like this. Yes, that's good. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Thank you so much for your
Thank you.
assistance.
Thank you.
What's your good name?
Romulus. That's my name.
Okay. So whenever you
back.
come to this shooting range, just ask for this guy.
Yeah.
He's, I think, most professional here
Yeah.
and most experienced also. So you're working here?
Yes, yes.
How long you were working here?
Fine. But the other one is, the others is 10 up.
Okay.
I'm 5 years.
Okay.
Not
So
too
because your experience is too good, like how to handle the weapon, it was really good.
Almost every day.
Okay.
Every day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Swear that I'ma find my way. Past been gone, I'ma watch it all fade. Whoa, guess I'm going MIA from everybody's problems. Oh, guess I'm locked in, guess I'm locked in. I got this, and it's on my soul. Guess I'm locked in, guess I'm locked in. I got this, and that's on my soul. Time's moving, I've been losing track of where I've been. Had to quiet all the voices living in my head. I see the riches of the world, I'm not impressed. Know that I'm far from perfect, but trying my best. Looking up to the sky, feeling grateful. Boy, I had to walk away from the fake road. Can't believe I'm still here on my way to find out the truth. Swear that I'ma find my way. Past been gone, I'ma watch it all fade. Whoa, guess I'm going MIA from everybody's problems.
So भाई हमारे लिए तो बहुत नया एक्सपीरियंस है. शूटिंग के बाद छोटी सी शॉप पे गया. ओल्दो मैंने उनसे पहले तो बात की, बट मैंने अपना कैमरा ऑन नहीं किया. उसके बाद आई टुक जस्ट अ स्मॉल वॉक थ्रू गन शॉप इन फिलीपींस एंड ये मकाती एरिया के अंदर है, यहीं पे ही आर्मस्कोर शूटिंग रेंज है जहाँ पे हम अपनी शूटिंग की है, सुपर रोड के बिल्कुल बराबर एंड उसके आसपास ये पूरी की पूरी जो स्ट्रीट है, यहाँ पे ओनली एंड ओनली गन्स एंड वेपन्स काइंड ऑफ लाइक नाइफ, उनके स्पेयर पार्ट मिलते हैं। बाकी अभी आई एम गोइंग टू गेट अ मनी एक्सचेंज। भाई एक ही दिन में इतना उड़ा दिया कि सीधा 5-6 हज़ार पीसोस नीचे आ गए। अब जाते हैं, हाँ एक बार मनी एक्सचेंज करवाएं।